Hi everyone. Right, today I'm doing an experiment that I've been wanting to do for a while. I have some of my cloud mix. It is a lot thicker than the cloud mixes I've been seeing being used. I'll pop the recipe into the description below. And I have some boom gels mixed with a pouring medium and water, and I've just layered those in the cup. I'll put the colors and the mixes I've used into the description as well. So let's go. Just gonna flood the canvas with the cloud mix and spread it around. Yeah, it's something I've been wanting to try for ages, actually, see what happens with those boom gels and this cloud mix, but I've never gotten around to it. Now I've been pretty unwell for a couple of days and I've just been dying to do some pouring, but haven't had the energy to do so. Today I finally did, so I got out my boom gels and started playing with those. And then I saw a video on YouTube that actually used boom gels and a cloud mix, different mix from mine. But that's when I remembered, oh yeah, that's something I've been wanting to play with for ages. So now's a good time to give it a go, I think. Okay, just cover that corner there and the sides. Just need to pop that way just a teeny bit. Okay, I've let my I mixed the cloud mix, I don't know, 4 hours ago, so it's had a little while to sit. Excuse the extremely messy background here. As you can see, I've been playing a lot today. Oh, get out. I just clean my hands. And if this works out really nice like I think it will, I'm gonna be so happy, but at the same time a bit upset because I'm out of my satin enamel and I'll need to order some from another country, so that's never a quick process. Right, I need to look for my torch. I haven't got a clue what I've done with it. Oh, there we go. Neatly tidied it away and therefore couldn't find it. Okay, just gonna pop these air bubbles from here. I can tell I've had to mix it quite vigorously because there's quite a few air bubbles here. Right, let's go with the boom gel. There's a grey, a blue and a metallic copper in here. Oh, here we are. Galah Grey. Excuse the doggy going nuts in the background. Galah Grey, Manna blue and metallic copper. So I'm just going to do a swirly thing like so. And then the next thing is to stretch it around. Try and leave a little bit of the white in between, so hopefully that'll react nicely with the gaps. There we go. Okay, and I can see it already reacting here. You're getting that shadowy effect. I mixed my copper quite a bit, not quite a bit, but a little bit thicker than the blue and the grey, for the simple reason that metallics can have a tendency to take over. So having it just a little bit thicker means it sinks just a little bit more and hopefully won't take over the entire show. Okay, there's some really nice cloudy effects going on already. This will be so interesting to see how it works as the cloud mix is pretty thick. Just gonna let that fall over the corner just there, not too much though. There we go. I am happy with that composition right now. And there we go. Let's leave it for a bit and see if any clouds start popping up. It's not looking like any are coming up the sides here, but I think that's quite all right because it's a really quite a nice design nonetheless. But perhaps if I stretch it just a little bit more, also I'll get those colors separated and showing a little bit better. I like what's going on with the copper in the corner here nearest to me. Okay, and the edge here is showing some pearl growth now, so I think now I just need to stretch it more to activate it some. It's always a little bit questionable whether the pearls will start to activate because the mix is so much thicker than people seem to usually use. But I think I'm onto a winner if it does react, because I personally, I'm not a fan of using very thin mixes, simply because I'm always really worried that the paint will crack when it dries. Okay, right, there we go. Now I am in a huge mess here. Just gonna try and grab some paper without getting paint absolutely everywhere. Just bear with me. Okay, right. Little bit of reaction going on there. I am pleased about that. I'm actually prototyping this for a larger piece I want to do. And, well, just generally experimenting as well. That's one of my favorite parts about acrylic pouring, is the experimenting. As you can imagine, often results in endless, ridiculous amounts of wasted paint, scraped canvases, what have you. A little bit of frustration, if I'm honest with you. But yeah, that's a lot of the fun of this art form, I think. Right, okay. So all I'm going to do now is just give this a good torch, pop those bubbles, which often seems to encourage pearl growth as well. So two for the price of one. Get rid of those air bubbles and get some action going as well. And also a very important thing, wipe the under the sides, because you really don't want the paint being pulled off. Not sure if you can see, probably not, but there's some really nice cells growing, or pearls growing just there. Right, okie doke. I will at this stage just speed up the video, put some music on, and I'll come back to this in, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes and see what we have in terms of the pearls. I'll speak to you soon. Hi, welcome back. Okay, it's been developing there for about 15 minutes and it doesn't look like anything much else is going to happen. And I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Those pearls are fantastic. Look at those cute rows of, it's like a string of pearls just there, 2 of them. Really nice. So yeah, I'd say this experiment was a success. I think I need to order some more satin enamel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you want to see what I get up to next, hit the notification button. And most of all, thanks ever so much for joining me, and I will see you soon. Bye.